Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to do the album cover trend on TikTok. So let's start. First, open the TikTok app. When the app is open, you have to tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. And then search for album cover on the search bar. And here you will see the album cover effect. Now tap on that. If you want to add this to your favorites, then tap on Add to Favorites. And now to start using this effect, tap on the camera button at the bottom of the screen. And here you will see an example of the video. Now long press on the record button to start recording the video. When you are done, tap on the tick icon on bottom right corner. Then tap next on bottom right corner. And then tap on post. And that is how you can do the album cover trend on TikTok. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.